She can do it.
It's the most dependable compact car and it has the lowest operating costs. So see you.
It gets harder.
She's gonna hate level 3.
Sweet honey taste. 80 calories per serving.
This may take a while.
Oh my gosh.
I'm here in the downtown area, and the crowd is growing.
Watch your calories at breakfast. Never tasted this sweet.
You're getting me all nervous.
Or this huge. New Fiber One 80 calories. Yes, you can actually love breakfast.
I'm telling you, it gets harder.
You can't do that for. I guarantee she's gonna lose at the end.
Gosh, no way.
I got so close, but then I touched the black part.
Aww.
Yeah, I know.
So see your Toyota dealer.
What the heck?
So on a perpendicularly into another current. So anyway, you should be careful about going out there.
Where exactly did you learn all this?
What? God said it would be like this.
Oh my god.
Buddy, you gotta get down from there.